Alright, this is my new remote control lawnmower. We're going to do a little upgrade. I got some strobe lights all the way around. Gonna drill some holes, run some wires, figure out what to plumb it into, and we'll get back to you. Here's two batteries inside here. There's the receiver. That's probably the speed controller. That's probably the brains, I guess. This is the on-off power switch, the power meter, the headlights, which don't work, and the electric start. And then this is my LED strobe light controller.